Welcome back to the budget 5x8 teardrop camper. So what we're doing here is I've cut these strips. I'm going to do this in a strip and plank pattern like that and alternate lengths. And you really can't sand this because if you look super close, let me turn some more light on here. Two of these small pieces. I'll hold that up so it'll kind of focus. You can see it's not even a 1/16 of an inch of plywood. I don't know if that's birch or what it is, but it looks really good. So I thought I'd strip it like that, and then we'll fiberglass it over. So I guess what I was saying is you don't have much room to sand. So I'm gonna strip it like that, and I'll do the same thing on the sides. Probably on the sides I'll do full length so I can get on down the road quicker with it. But if I get to the point where when I fiberglass it and sand it out, and it doesn't look right, then all this time that I spent doing the strips is going to be an experience. So it's not like a total. It won't be a total waste. It'll be okay. So if it turns out great, then we'll know. If it doesn't, then I'll know too. So that's what we're doing today, and I got the insulation in. As you can see, I used all the insulation I had in the shop. That's a little bit thick up there. I might have to press that down, but let's see how inexpensively we can build a nice camper. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in a little bit.